Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix error requires at least DirectX version 8.1. If you want to fix it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start and Windows, and then you need to go to Run. Here on Open field you need to type Control and click OK. Then you need to set View by category, and after that you need to go to Programs. Then you need to open Turn Windows Features on or off, and here you need to click plus icon on the left side of Legacy Components. So I click it, and then I check DirectPlay and Legacy Components. Now I click OK button, and after a moment process should be successfully finished and your error should be fixed. How you see Windows completed the requested change. So now we can close this window, and now you need to make one really important thing. You need to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if I helped you, remember to buy me coffee from link in description. It's all, thank you for watching.